Fixed 0. Origin is always located at some position on machine table, usually at southwest corner or lower left corner, and all two locations are defined with respect to this called fixed 0. Next, the floating 0. Very common CNC machine used nowadays is operator sets 0 point at any convenient position on machine table. The coordinate system is known as work coordinate system. Structure of the program. And numerical control part program is made up of series of commands that are input into the machine control unit in a serial manner. The machine control unit interprets these commands and generates the necessary signals to each of these drive units and of machine to accomplish the required action. The numerical control program is required to have a particular structure that the controller can understand, and it must follow a specified syntax. Commands are input into the control unit in units called blocks or statements. Each block is made up of one or more machine commands. In general, several commands are grouped together to accomplish a specific machine operations, hence the use of block of information for each operations. Each command gives a specific element of control data such as dimension or feed rate. Each command within a block is also called a word. The way in which words are arranged within the block is called block format. Three different block formats are commonly used. First one is the fixed sequential format, tab sequential format, and word address format. Commonly used word address encode sequence number used to identify the each block within the numerical control program and provides a means by which numerical control commands may be rapidly located. It is program line number. It is good practice to increment each block number by 5 to 10 to allow additional blocks to be inserted if future changes are required. G code. Preparatory word uses as a communication device to prepare the machine control unit. The G code indicates that a given control function such as G01 is the linear interpolation is to be requested. X, Y and Z codes coordinates. This gives the coordinate position of the tool. F code feed rate. The F code specifies the feed in the machining operations. The S code specifies the cutting speed of the machining process. T code. The T code specifies which tool is to be used in a specific operations. M code. The M code is used to designate a particular mode of operation for a numerical control tool. I, J and K codes, they specify the center of the or coordinate from starting. These are the important G codes. From G0, the linear rapid positioning. In this code, the tool comes if I put G0 code in the part programming, the tool rapidly comes to the origin position. If I want to move the tool in linear direction, G01 code is used. The G02 code is used to move the tool in clockwise, the CW circular interpolation. G03 is the code is used to move the tool in anti-clockwise direction. G04, if I put G04, the tool is at dull at particular position. Next, the another important codes are so G90 is used to absolute programming code and G91 is used to incremental programming code. and these codes are used to form the part programming. Next, the M code. M code is the miscellaneous code. M0 is the program stop. M02 is the end of the program. M03 is the spindle on, and the spindle is rotating clockwise direction. The M4 code is the spindle on and it rotates in counterclockwise direction. M05 code is used to stop the spindle. And M06 the tool change. M07 coolant on. M08 is the coolant on food. M09 is the coolant off on both coolant. So these programs are used for miscellaneous actions. Simple G code example for CNC lathe operation. Now we are going to do the lathe operations using the part programming code. So this is the part program. Part program from lathe operations. The explanation of the program. N5 clamping the workpiece. The N5 is the clamping the workpiece. Next, the black. N10 changing number 1 tool and executing it offset. N15 is the rapidly position to a point. N20 starting the spindle with 60 revolution minute. N25 coolant on. In black, N30 approaching B point with 60 meter per minute. Black, and N40 cutting from point B to C. And black 50 cutting from point C to D. And black 60 rapidly retracting to a point A. Black 70 cancelling the tool offset. N80 stopping the spindle. N90 black coolant off. N100 black releasing the workpiece. N110 end of program, spindle stopping and coolant off. Next, the CNC milling example. This is the program is used to do in milling operations in the CNC. The code expressions. The black 5 absolute position of the tool and metric unit. In black 10 tool changes to T1. In black 15 defined work 0 point at A. Black 20 rapid transfers to A. Black 25 rapid plunge to 12.5 mm above Z0. Black 30 feed in Z direction 12.5, feed rate of 150 mm PM. N35 cutting line AB to B. N40 cutting or BC to C. N45 cut line CD to D. N50 cut or DE to E. D to E. N55 cut line EA to A. N40 rapid retract to position. N65 black N65 reference point written in Z direction spindle off. N70 reference point written in X and Y directions. N75 end of the program. Okay, thank you.